guys, it's Vlogmas day 4. Alright guys, so it is day 4 of Vlogmas and today I am vlogging. I started vlogging a little bit late today, but today is all about surprise. So not a surprise for you, but a surprise for my stepdad. So his son is actually on his way from Jamaica here. We made it seem like he's not coming none at all for Christmas. So his son and his grandson is coming to surprise him. So I'm just gonna tidy up like the house, like my area, and I'm gonna check on upstairs, the guest room, and see if everything is okay. So yeah, today's about surprises. So I'm gonna clean today.
Yo, Dre.
Say no trouble when no trouble you. God send me an angel.
Yo,
so I showed you guys a little bit of me cleaning and stuff. So right now I'm just gonna kind of relax myself, and we still have laundry to do because I didn't get to put the load in because someone else was doing laundry. So I have to do that, catch up on some homework. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. Guys, I look a mess right now. My brother came, my stepbrother came. My stepdad is not home from work yet, so I'm not gonna be able to film like the surprise because I want to be able to put this vlog up on time. So I'm just gonna end off the vlog right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed Vlogmas Day 4. Make sure you guys subscribe if you have not already. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment. Let me know what other videos you would like to see for Vlogmas, and share my videos with your mother, your father. Nah. Let me say it in a Shickaa Chung way. Make sure to share it to no mother, no father, no sister, no brother, no auntie, no uncle, and everybody. Yeah? And stay tuned for Vlogmas Day 5. Bye, guys.